Hi students, today let's do exercise 3.1 question number 6 and 7. Let's solve question number 6, evaluate. First question says here minus 5 minus 12. Now before solving this, let's know what is absolute value. Absolute value of an integer is a numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign. What is an absolute value? A numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign. Now what it indicates? It indicates the distance of an integer from 0 on a number line. Here number line 0, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Absolute value indicates the distance of the integer from 0 on number line. Now here let's take an example 3. Okay. 3. We write, or it represents. How it represents? It is represented by two vertical lines. Absolute value represents by two vertical lines on either side of the integer. Okay, so this is how it is we write. Okay, now here absolute value of 3 is 3. Whether it is positive integer or negative integer, the absolute value is always positive. Absolute value shows the distance from the 0, the distance of an integer from the 0. So here 3 I have taken, so the distance is 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. This is total 3 units. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. Now here it shows negative integers. Let's see here 1, 2, 3 units. This is also 3 units. So absolute value is always positive. Okay. And numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign, whether it is negative integer or positive integer, the absolute value of the integer is always positive. Now let's solve this. That is minus 5 minus 12. Now to show the absolute value, we have used as a function that is called modulus function. What is that? Modulus function. This is the symbol we use for that. Okay. The first thing that we have to do is we have to bring this minus 5 out of the symbol. For that we use simple bracket. So absolute value of an integer is always positive. So minus 5 become plus 5. We use simple bracket for that to remove from the modulus symbol or function. Okay. Now this minus is as it is. Then here again this is absolute value of 12 is 12. That is plus 12. This also will put it in simple bracket. Now the next step is that we have to remove this brackets. For that we will just write it without symbol, the integer as it is. That is just 5. Then this minus as it is. Then plus 12. We will write 12 without sign. So the bracket is out. Once again, this is minus 5 minus 12. It is in modulus function, or it is used modulus symbol is used to show absolute value. Okay, now we have to remove this symbol. For that we have to use simple bracket. Then absolute value of any integer, negative or positive, the absolute value will be always positive. So we will write down in the bracket plus 5. Then this symbol is as it is, and then again 12. Absolute value of 12 is 12. So here we have removed this sign and used a symbol bracket. So we are showing here plus 12. Now the second step is to remove this bracket, this simple bracket. For that we have to write the integer as it is without sign. Now here we know that this is plus and this is minus. Two different signs. When two different signs comes, what we have to do is find the difference of these two integers. That means from 12 we have to minus this 5. After finding the difference, we have to use the sign of the greater number. Here the greater number is 12, the sign of greater number is minus. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. We get the answer 7. Using the greater number sign, that is minus. So our answer is minus 7. Let's go through once again. Minus 5 minus 12. The question, the modulus function or modulus symbol is given that we have to remove. For that we have to use the symbol bracket, and in the symbol bracket the absolute value of the integer we write using sign, because we are writing it in bracket. So this is positive, this negative integer becomes positive integer, and then this also plus 12. In bracket we write the sign as it is. Then to remove this bracket we have to write the integer as it is without sign. Then this negative minus is here, then this 12 as it is. Now what we have to do is, this we know this is plus and this is here 12 sign is minus. When there are two different integers comes, or when there are two signs comes, then what we have to do is we have to find the difference of these two integers and then give the greater numbers or greater numbers sign. Okay, so what is that? 12 minus 5, that is difference. We have to do 12 minus 5, then we get the difference, that is 7. Then using the greater number sign, that is minus. That is how we got the answer minus 7. Our next question is minus 8 plus minus 17. So let's remove this symbol using simple bracket, and this absolute value of minus 8 is 8, will give plus 8 sign. Then plus as it is, then here minus 17, absolute value of minus 17 is plus 17, will use simple bracket. Now we have to remove this bracket. For that we will write the integer or number as it is 8, then plus 17. Now here both the signs are positive, so we will just add 17 plus 8 is equal to, or 8 plus 17 is equal to 25. So our answer is 25, and that is positive, but we will not show here positive. We don't need to show, just write as it is 25. Then the third question is minus 18 minus 13 minus 30. This is our next question. So here plus 18 in simple bracket minus as it is, then here plus 13 in simple bracket. Now we'll remove the bracket. Just write 18, then minus symbol, then this 13 as it is. So this is plus 18 and minus 13. So 18 minus 13 is equal to 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. This is our answer. Next question is question number 4. Minus 7 minus minus 11 plus minus 6. So let's remove this symbol using simple bracket. Plus 7 minus as it is, then again this is plus 11 plus as it is, then this is plus 6. Now we have to remove the simple bracket. So we'll write 7, then minus, then 11 plus 6. This is plus 7 and this is minus 11. This 11 symbol is minus. So when two different integers comes, we have to find the difference of it and then give the greater numbers sign. So 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. The sign is, greater number sign is minus. Then plus 6. Again this is two different integers. So we have to find the difference of it and give the greater numbers sign. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Greater number sign is plus. We are not showing it here because it is understood. Next question. Minus 7 plus minus 8 minus minus 1. So this minus as it is, then minus 7 become plus 7. Plus as it is, then this becomes plus 8. Then minus as it is, then this is plus 1. Now this we have to remove this bracket. So we'll write 7, then plus 8 minus 1. Two different integers. Find the difference of it. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Greater number sign is plus. Then minus, this is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our answer. Once again, minus 7 minus minus 11 plus minus 6. We have to remove this symbol. For that we use simple bracket and write the sign with the integer. Okay, plus 7. Then minus as it is. Then this is plus 11. Then plus as it is. Then this becomes plus 6. Now we have to remove this bracket. So we will write the number as it is, 7 without sign. 7 minus 11 plus 6. When two different integers comes, this is plus and this is minus, then we have to find the difference of these two integers and then give the greater numbers sign. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 and sign is minus. Then plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6. Again two different integers, so we will find the difference of it and then write the number and get the sign of the greater number, that is plus 2. So we write just 2. If we write, it is understood that this is plus 2. Then 5. Fifth question is minus 7 plus minus 8 minus 1. Again the same, minus, then this becomes plus 7 using simple bracket, plus as it is, this becomes plus 8, then minus as it is, this becomes plus 1. Now we have to remove the bracket. So minus as it is, then this number 7 plus, then 8, then minus, then 1. again two different integers, so we have to find the difference. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, greater number sign is plus, so it is understood that this is plus 1. Then minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's solve this. Question number 6. 20 minus 0 minus minus 12. We'll write 20 as it is. We don't need to use any bracket for that. Then the sign as it is, 0, we'll put in bracket. Will not give any sign because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Then this minus sign as it is. Then this will become plus 12 and put it in the bracket. Okay. Now 20 minus 0. This bracket we are removing. 20 minus 0 is equal to 20. Then this minus sign as it is. Then 12. That is plus 12. Okay, both are plus. This is positive and this is also positive. Here we have to just subtract. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Our answer is 8. Question number 7. Represent these integers on the number line. First question is opposite of 9. Opposite of 9 is minus 9. So here 0 and then here minus 9. Then all negative integers greater than minus 5. 0, minus 1. All negative integers greater than minus 5. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Greater than minus 5 is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Next, all odd positive integers less than 10. All odd positive integers. 0. Odd positive integers, that is 1, then 3, then 5, 7, then 9. Less than 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next is all even negative integers greater than minus 12. 0. All even negative integers, that is minus 2, minus 4, then minus 6, then minus 8, minus 10, then next is minus 12. Then comes absolute value of 5, minus 5, that is 5. Then absolute value of 4. Opposite of 9 is minus 9. Negative integers greater than minus 5 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then odd positive integers less than 10 is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then even negative numbers, negative integers greater than minus 12. Even negative integers greater than minus 12. Negative minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 and minus 10. Then absolute value of 5. Absolute value of 4. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.